Amazon Echo Show 11 review. The no-hype truth on spatial audio and daily kitchen use. Do I ever stand in the kitchen with messy hands, squinting at a tiny phone recipe while yelling at Alexa because she somehow heard "play jazz" as "raise the thermostat"? Oh yeah, that was me last month. Dinner burning, kids firing questions, pure chaos on all fronts. I remember thinking, how did cooking turn into a full contact sport? If my current smart display feels more like extra work than actual help, I know I am not alone. If this sounds painfully familiar, you are definitely my people. I tried everything. Propping up a tablet, blasting a Bluetooth speaker, even grabbing the Echo Show 8 last year. It helped, but only halfway. The screen was still too small to read from the stove, the sound felt flat, and Alexa kept tossing in a cheerful "by the way" every few seconds, like she was bored. I got tired of half solutions that still had me juggling devices, repeating commands, and wiping flour off a touchscreen. I knew there had to be something that just worked without me babysitting it. Then the new Amazon Echo Show 11 showed up, and within one evening, it felt like someone finally understood the assignment. I said, "Alexa, find me a 30-minute dinner using chicken and whatever vegetables are in the fridge, then add what I am missing to my shopping list and play something chill." She nailed it. No by the way, no repeating myself, just smooth execution. That 11-inch full high-definition screen with 60% more viewing area than the Echo Show 8 is actually useful. I can read the recipe from 6 feet away while chopping. Spatial audio fills the room, so music and podcasts sound rich instead of tinny. Video calls with my parents finally feel natural thanks to the centered auto-framing camera and noise reduction. The built-in smart home hub plus Omnisense means lights adjust when I walk in and routines trigger without me saying a word. One device now handles kitchen, smart home, entertainment, and family calls without me hovering over it. Clearly, I am not the only one impressed. Tech reviewers are calling the spatial audio a game changer for the category. Smart home creators say it replaced multiple devices in their kitchens. Real user reviews average 4.7 stars, with people raving about video calls with grandkids and finally being able to follow workout videos without squinting. One reviewer upgraded from the older 10-inch model and said the difference was night and day. Yes, it costs more than the Echo Show 8, but you get the larger screen, dramatically better sound, a full year of Alexa Plus early access included, and no separate smart home hub needed. Most people say the convenience paid for itself within weeks. Setup took me under 15 minutes, devices and all. The moment that truly shocked me was asking Alexa to show photos of the kids at the beach last summer and instantly seeing the exact album. No scrolling, no guessing. That level of context honestly feels like magic. Now imagine walking into your kitchen and everything just works. The right music, the recipe ready, lights perfect, groceries ordered, and a family video call waiting when you want it. That has been my reality for weeks. If I am still fighting small screens and dumb responses, the Amazon Echo Show 11 is the upgrade that actually delivers. Full disclosure, this video includes affiliate links and I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Check the link below if you want to see the specs or grab one for yourself. I have a feeling you will not regret it.